Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake sandwiches. Let's dive right into creating these delightful treats. Cake sandwiches are a fantastic way to enjoy cake in a fun, portable format. They're incredibly versatile and much simpler to assemble than a full cake. You can use store-bought or homemade components, making them perfect for any occasion or a quick dessert. Get ready to impress with minimal effort. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 thin cake layers. These can be freshly baked or even pre-made from a grocery store. Next, have your favorite frosting ready. Approximately 1 cup should be plenty. Don't forget to think about additional fillings like fresh berries, a spoonful of jam, or a rich chocolate spread to elevate your creation. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay your first cake layer flat. Evenly spread about 1/4 inch of your chosen frosting across the entire surface. This creates a delicious base. Next, add any extra fillings you desire, like a thin layer of fruit or jam. Finally, carefully place the second cake layer on top, pressing down gently to create a neat sandwich. Once assembled, it's time to customize and enjoy. You can cut your large cake sandwich into smaller, individual portions, perfect for sharing. Consider decorating the edges with colorful sprinkles or a simple dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch. Feel free to experiment with various cake flavors and filling combinations to discover your new favorite. Serve them fresh or chill for a firmer, delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.